Let's just do that one. Fuck it, entire screenshot. Pop it. What's the fucking Hello. All right, let me put the call out. Leave that there till IPO. All right, let's get it going. How's everyone doing? How do I... Give me a second, guys. All right, let's see. Oh, fuck, do I look at the comment? All right, let's go look at the stock market, boys. Let's see what's going on. Hold on, I'll have to have chat open. Let's look at the 5. Oh my goodness. Damn, we're selling off. Let's do this. Mexican. Oh, wait, chat is not on? Yo, boys. I do not think chat is on. Hold on. Bruh. I might be new to this shit, boys. Oh, fuck. How do you turn fucking chat on? Fuck me. God damn it. How do you turn so slow? Fuck. Mm, live chat is disabled. Oh, bro. Oh my god. Hold on. See if that works. Sorry for the technical difficulties, boys. Let's see. There we go. Live chat's up. Um, cool. Cool, 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 cool. Mm. There we go. All right, bet. All right. Let's see what we're looking at. Oh my god. How much is Mars down? 6%. Jesus. Whew. Damn, market is getting cooked right now, minus Nokia. What the hell? Palantir down. XLE is up somehow. NASA just got nuked. Fuck. Uh, Nokia's ripping because they got a new rating. Let's see. Mm. Bruh. We are cooked. SpaceX is actually draining all liquidity. What's SPY at? Okay, SPY's green. On this, look at the big hitters. Oh, on this down 2.8. Oh, Jesus. I'm concerned if I refresh this, what happened? There we go. Cool. Now I can see chat. Now I can see chat. Position of the side. Oh my god. Can Ondis stop bleeding? What's the news? Ondis will unveil high-dose layered autonomous defense system. That should be bullish. What are we doing? I mean, it's still fine. It's holding support, so I guess we'll take it. I guess we'll take it. Bro. Yo, at Chew, stop using at everyone. Give me a second, guys. Hold on. All right, there we go. All right, let's see. QQQ. He's red. Yep, down half a point. SpaceX will be IPOing here 8 minutes. Okay. All right, let's see what else we got going. Damn. Yo, we are selling off like crazy. Might have to get in some shorts. Might have to get in some shorts. I'm gonna just full port on this. All right. Okay, bro. So what are we doing? I know that's Versa too. Only Versa would say some stupid shit like that. Low key, should I full port on this too? Low key. Alright, let's see what NQ. Wow. This is wicked work. I'm muted? Chat. There's no way I'm muted. The mic not working? Mic should be working. Hello? I'm muted? Dead ass? Yeah, okay. Yeah. This fucking guy. Shut the fuck up. Alright. Alright, let's run it. Loki might enter shorts here. Let me get my indicator up and running. Let's get ES up. Oh my god. Looks like we missed the shorts, boys. Alright. We got support here. Still hasn't IPO'd yet. It just bounced off the fib. Let that chill. Look at the rest of the space market. Let's see. See what Mars is up to. I know it's down bad. What's There's no way Rocket Labs is down after getting added. That's crazy. Gets added to the Nasdaq, goes down. Yeah, that makes sense. Low key, Rocket Lab calls. Low key. Hold on. Let me take a look. Oh, I was gonna short SPY, Brian, but I kind of missed it. It moved without me. Nokia's moving like crazy though. Shout out JP Morgan for upgrading price target. Hold on one second. SpaceX IP. Sorry, I was muted. SpaceX IPOs in 1 minute. All right, I'm looking at RDW strike 18 618 calls. Um, you can't see my screen. The fuck? Oh, it's because I restarted. There we go. All right. Sorry about that, boys. Oops. Let's pull that back up. All right. So I'm looking at RDW strike 18 instead of strike 16. Sorry, I'm new to this whole fucking YouTube shit. Probably gonna bid 85. Let's see what the chart looks like again. I mean, it wants it. SpaceX IPOs in 1 minute. 1 minute. Should be IPOing any second now. Any second now. Do I risk it? Fuck it. It's $85. I'll put in for 2 contracts. Nothing crazy. Keep it small. Okay, so I'm gonna get RDW instead of strike 16. I'm gonna get strike 18 618. Let me put this out. Oh my god, I got a terrible fill. That was the worst fill I could have got. I'm feeling the gamble. All right, we're gonna do a little lotto play. Let me call this out real quick. You could always do 2x. You could always do 2x RDW, which is RDWU or something like that, instead of calls if you wanted to. But it's gonna be like a short swing day trade probably. But give me a second, guys. I gotta call this out. Calls. Strike 18. DTE 618 calls. Price per con. I think it's at 80 right now. Oh man, it is dying. Just trying to hold that support level. But this is a little lot of play, so it's okay. You can get it for 75 right now. Let me see. Yeah, you can get it for 73 actually. All right, let's see. Did it go live yet? No, not yet. All right. Gonna keep the stop loss tight on this for now. Well, we won't know what happens until SpaceX actually IPOs. It's gonna be very interesting. It has not IPO'd yet. All right, we'll see how my little day trade goes. Let's see what Nokia is up to. Let's check the rest of the market. Actually, yeah, let's go change the options. Let's go see what the options flow looks like on the day. This would be our official sponsor, Trader Daddy Pro, for options flow. Let's see. Oops, I'll make this bigger. Let's see what the market's up to. Nice fear, 23. We're still bullish. SPY's crazy bearish. RWM crazy bearish. Damn. Let's see what the heat map looks like. QQQ bullish, Poet bullish, Costco bullish, Meta bullish. Fucking Palantir bearish, gold bearish. I mean, this is really low liquidity flow though, so we won't really know. Let's see what the it's holding support. It just bounced straight off of this put wall here, and right at where the fib level is. So I mean, it looks fine for now. Let's see. Let's take a look. All right, let's go see what Nokia is up to. Oh my god. RDW hasn't flipped yet, but it's fine. It was a lotto play. Nook. Oh my god, look at that. It's so beautiful. Wow, WDC is running, but DRAM is still red on the day. Interesting. Let's check WDC. I wonder what's dragging down. I'm assuming Micron is dragging down DRAM because Western Digital is running. What's SanDisk up to? SanDisk is running. It has to be. Yeah, it's Micron. Let's bring it down. What's SK? Okay, that makes sense. Wait, how is DRAM down? It must be Micron. Let me see. You guys want to see my cat? Ugh. Say hello, Stinky. I don't know how DRAM is down. No, Palantir bearish, bro. Brian, we'll be okay. We'll be okay. Ugh. It's just one day, but yeah, it doesn't look very good. We flipped bearish. Oh, fuck. I might take an IWM put. Did this thing IPO yet? No, it hasn't IPO'd yet. Nokia up 5% today. That's what I'm fucking talking about. Carrying my port right now. What was the IWM put that my boy just put out? Let's see. Yo, click the link in the bio for the Discord. I think it's mostly just people from the Discord in here. Spy call. Interesting. He bought IWM puts and then flipped to calls. W lotto play. Double down on the dip. All right. SpaceX still has an IPO. They're supposed to. This usually happens. They said they were gonna IPO at 950. Usually they don't IPO till 11. From my understanding. Damn, XLE is moving crazy. Did some news come out? Hold on, let me check Twitter. No. Breaking: President Trump says the deal terms that Iran link have nothing to do with the terms that were agreed to, and Iranian leaders are very dishonorable people to deal with. Uh, with them, there's no such thing as dealing in good faith. Sick. According to Hyperliquidity, which is a alternative investment platform, SpaceX's price is 180. I got filled for one share. I don't know if you guys bought any. Oh, let's see what the meme market is up to. It's SPXC. Down 24%. Bro, it was so funny watching this get pumped by Reddit for no reason. for absolutely no reason. They literally pumped it because they said, yeah, people are going to look up SpaceX and buy this instead. Down 24% today. ASTS down 11, Voyager down 10, Lunar down 10, Fly 10, RDW 9, Rocket Labs 8, Black Sky 8, Planet Labs 7. So what's the price of oil at if Trump's bitching about this? The fuck? How is XLE green? I might just get out of my calls here. How is that possible? I'm looking at it on the wrong one. Let's look at this one. I mean, I'll take it. Calls are doing well. I just don't really know how they're green right now. Crude oil being down. Oh, what's American oil at? Ah, there we are. U.S. oil is up. Nice. RDW found support. Very nice. Very nice. Looks like the market in general found support. Wow. IWM is ripping. Yeah, DRAM just flipped green. RDW calls haven't moved yet. Should I buy more? It's fine. It's at support. We wait. SpaceX. Nope. Yeah, guys. I wouldn't expect a SpaceX IPO to like, I don't know, around 11:30 probably at this point. So IWM too. Damn. This shit is pumping. Let's see. All right, let's go take a look at Palantir. I got some calls on this. I mean, it's still in its price channel, so we'll take a look. So I'll show you guys. So this would be like its 3-month price channel. Yeah, 4-month price channel. But yeah, so this is its support level. Every time it's tapped into here, it's bounced out. It's come up to the 200 moving average, which is the average that institutions look for. And every time it's come up here, it's broken down. As you can see, broken down. But I mean, they have a crazy amount of contracts in the pipeline, growing year-over-year revenue. Trump likes them. I'm bullish, but yeah, I mean, I took calls here for a reason. It's just because like it's in a great support level, as we can see. If it pops out of here, I'll probably start taking profit, hopefully, at 140, and then cut everything by 150, 157. That would be ideal. Let's see. SpaceX. No. Let's go take a look at futures market. Yeah, so we have this great put wall here. This will be where institutions are like hedging, essentially, where big money is being put. And usually buyers will step in at that point, and we literally tapped straight into it and bounced right out up to the VWAP, which is the it's like a convergence moving average essentially. W2. All right, let's see. Mm. Oh my god. Palantir at 127. All right. What is green on the day? DRAM just flipped green. Very nice. Glad to see it. Oh, look at that. So, we have our. I kind of just drew this for a rough estimate for my visuals, but basically we have the 20-day moving average here. We see that it broke down. Like if it went any further, so this would be the gap, the buying gap. It almost filled it completely, pretty much filled this gap and then bounced right out of it. And then we hit the 20-day and it found support there. And now we're back to following this trend line. Um, we will see what happens. But yeah, it's trying to break out on the day right now. Nokia is up 5%. Yeah, we'll take a look at Nokia as well. Low-key, should I get some music in here? I kind of found some new bangers in the EDM playlist. Hold on. Bro. Well, not new, but I just remember they existed. Hell yeah. I don't know if you guys can hear that. All right. Okay, perfect. So this is a real trend line. So we see that it taps into this trend line and bounces out every time. We broke trend here. We broke the 20-day. We have this massive selling blocks here. So this is going to be a big resistance level. So long as we can take that back, it'd be great if we could take it back today. I don't think so, but we shall see. It did find this nice little support level here at the fib, which is like a psychological buying level. But yeah, also JP Morgan was the second firm to raise their price targets to $21. There was another firm a couple weeks ago that also raised it to $20. But yeah, I mean, they just hit billion in backlog, $1 billion investment by Nvidia. I'm probably gonna start averaging in more into my leaps. I'm very bullish on Nokia. Very nice. RDW found support. Hopefully. Let's take a look. Yeah. See how this goes. Yeah, SPY flipped green. What about NASDAQ? Oops. NASDAQ flipped green. W pump. Keep it going. Yep, there we go. DRAM just flipped green. Let's go take a look. So this would be my favorite memory ETF. Currently in calls. I think overall I'm up 70%, but I'm just holding my last 50% for now. Let's see. Shout out my boy, my new trader in the Discord, Chew Trades. He just hit a great trade. Let's see. Damn, chat, where'd you guys go? All right, let's see. What else are we looking at today? I mean, we can go look at. We can just do sector by sector real quick. So the way I like to look at sector by sector is just Jane Street has a bunch of or State Street has a bunch of ETFs that all just combine every single sector. So I usually just like to do it by that. Hold on, let me see. My August calls are going green. What's RDW? It's still holding. Okay. So we'll take a look at energy. I showed you guys this earlier. So this is going to be your oil companies, American oil for the most part. That's why it's green on the day, even though crude oil is down. Oops, this is the wrong chart. Then we'll do tech sector. Oh, tech sector just flipped green on the day. That's nice. This is basically just going to be SPY for the most part, or essentially QQQ. Essentially NASDAQ. Let's see what finance is up to. The chart's been pretty interesting. Oh, they broke out. Oh, shit. Damn. Yeah, so it looks like finance broke out. This would be your JP Morgan, your Citibank, Goldman Sachs. All right, let's take a look at ASTS. Oh, I mean, to be fair, all space stocks look like this right now. Oh my god, what are these candles? This is ridiculous. A 10-point candle into a negative 10-point candle. That's disgusting. The fuck? That's actually ridiculous. Let's go. We're up 1.6 on the day. We'll take it. Take it. Slowly, surely climbing back on the week. Shout out Nokia for the fucking comeback of the century. Let's go continue. Industrials. This would be like your. Actually, what is this again? This will be your Caterpillar, your General Electric, your Raytheon, your GE, your Boeing, Union Pacific, a bit of everything. Honestly, a bit of everything. Industrial complex related. For some reason, fucking Uber's in here too. But I mean, it's just been chopping sideways, so who cares? Consumer discretionary. I believe this would be like your Lululemon. Hold on. Okay, so this would be your Amazon, your Tesla, your Home Depot, TJ Maxx, McDonald's, Lowe's, Starbucks. We've just been chopping in this fucking price channel for forever at this point. So let's continue. XLP. I have some. This will be your Walmart, your Costco, your Target. I have some XLP calls. I actually timed this shit perfectly too, but I might have to get out because it looks like it just hit resistance again and might sell off. SMR. Yeah, I mean, if you were gonna buy SMR, this is where you would want to buy it at this level. 6% on the day. What's URA at? Good luck, buddy. Yeah, I mean, if you were gonna get into nuclear, this is kind of where you would want to get it at. But I'm gonna stay out for now. For now. Yo, type in chat if you can hear the music. What the fuck? Bro. Fucking trust fund kid got 24 shares. That's actually ridiculous. 24 shares of SpaceX. All right, let's go check. No, shit is not live. Just as I suspected. Let's get rid of this. Let me go check Twitter real quick. Oh, I should probably. I probably should have shouted out my live stream on X and Instagram. That would have been smart. Give me a second, guys. Fuck me. Can you guys tell I'm fucking new? Spy's looking good. All right, let's shout. I'm gonna shout this out on my Twitter real quick. No one's gonna fucking follow this though. Oh, you can't hear the music? Okay. All right. Let's see. Shout this out on Instagram too. Give me a second, guys. Hope y'all know I took a half day at work for this. The fuck? There it goes. Wow, market is pumping. Please, 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 please. Uppies, uppies. Let's see. Very nice. RDW is holding. Slowly building its way back up. You'll love to see it. All right, let's see. Let's check the rest of the market. What's Nvidia at? Nvidia at 206. This is such an interesting level. This is such an interesting level for Nvidia because it's under the 50-day. Oh, let's see. That's new. Still not live yet though. Give me a second. Damn. All right, let's take a look. All right. Man, like I want to buy Nvidia here, but I just don't know what Donald Trump's gonna fucking do over the weekend. Let me see if there's any other news. My fault. All right. Sorry guys, I'm getting distracted. I'm trying to get more people in the fucking YouTube. What brand is my cat treat, bro? I don't know. Um. So if we get to like this level, I'll probably start entering shorts. Man, do I want to buy Nvidia? It's kind of cheap. It's kind of cheap. DRAM's looking not bad. About Nokia, what are we at? Oh, we broke the trend line. I was just talking to you guys about. So if we can break this trend line, we'll start building back up crazy. But we literally just tapped into it. All right. Hopefully we can hold this. All right, sorry guys, I gotta promote my shit. All right, let's see. So if Nokia can hold this trend, we'll start breaking back out into the $18 region probably. That's what I'm looking for. Um, if we stay above trend line, I'll probably dollar cost average into my leaps and calls. For those not in the know, dollar cost averaging is when you buy more to lower the average of your costs. Pretty simple. Give me a second, guys. I gotta promote more stuff. All right. Let's see if we can hold that. What's Ondis up to? My favorite drone company. It's back in its price channel, which is normal for Ondis. But we are just making higher lows slowly but surely. It's holding support very, very well. So that looks good. Market's probably just gonna chop around VWAP, around Euro VWAP, Euro session. But it looks good. There's a put wall coming up, so that's good support. SpaceX, let's see. Still not live. Still not live. Give me a second. Give me a second. All right. Let's see. This is at support. It's RDW at. Slowly but surely grinding its way up. I think the calls. Oh, never mind. That's worse. Wait. Oh, okay, yeah. The calls are starting to flip green. All right. Let's go look at the options market real quick. So, overall market's still in fear. God, I love that they added this. We flipped bullish. Largest call block is going to be on fucking Micron. Let's go. What's DRAM at? It's holding. That's fine. That's beautiful. Let's see. Bullish flow on U.S. oil. Interesting. Bullish flow on Micron. Bullish flow on SPY. On Poet. I might have to get into that. Hold on. Oh my god. What a candle. 12-point candle. Let's see the daily. Wow, that's actually insane. Damn, and I charted it out too. Okay, so this is what you're like kind of looking for when you chart things out. So okay, here, right? We see a massive breakdown. So we're just gonna chart out like the breakdown, and if we basically we can chart it out from here to here, and if we continue to break, we rip up. This one's a little bit different because this broke down crazy. But okay, here, right? So I'm not the greatest at charting, guys. I'm more of a macroeconomics kind of guy. But basically, you chart this down to here, and if it breaks out, you buy calls. So I guess I'm gonna buy calls. Give me a second. Let me go take a look at the liquidity market. Let's take a look. Massive liquidity on this is gonna be where the unusual flow is. Strike 12. Oh, so that's deep in the money, isn't it? Yeah, it just went into the money. Strike 12. Where's the next liquidity zone? It's kind of shit liquidity in comparison. But I'll take a look. I don't like to buy in the money because you don't make as much money, but nothing wrong with it. RDW calls are just chopping sideways. All right, let's take a look. Poet. Let's go look at the chart again. Bounce straight off of the 50. Things it has this massive resistance level coming up. Let me look at the options levels for Poet. So, oh, great. Oh, here it is. All right, so we're strongly bullish. Next call zone is going to be at that level where the order block was. It's funny how these things work out. So call game is going to be at 13. It's going to be our next resistance. We have unusual flow. We have the trend line break. We have the bullish stack. Yeah, this is all good. Call wall 13. Skew still neutral. Do I want to risk it with Donald Trump? I mean, I have so much cash in the port. Fuck it. I'm gonna start an entry position. What was it? Was 717. I don't like buying in the money, but that's okay. Welcome everyone who's joining. Let's do Poet. I prefer to buy out of the money, but there's not enough liquidity. I mean, 717 strike 14. That's good enough liquidity for me, honestly. Ivy is nuts. Keep the port allocation low. Ivy's at 135. Jeez Christ. That is insanely high. SpaceX IPO yet? No. Yeah, it seemed bad. I'll cop. Let's do one and then strike 14, 717. See what I can get it at. And I gotta take a bunch of screenshots. Oh my god. Let's go. One of the stocks that I called out for my long-term portfolio is fucking ripping. Rare earth elements, baby. Let's go. Or the element group. All right. Element group. Give me a second. I gotta make this post, guys. Let's see. Let's watch SPY for now. SPY's at that resistance level, so we'll just watch it. All right. Let me make this post. So Poet. Oh, I gotta say sponsored by as well. Give me a second, everyone. Let's see. Sponsored by Trader Daddy Pro. Give me a second. So it's going to be bought. Poet calls. Strike. What was it? 14. Strike 14. 717. DTE 717. Price per con. Yeah, it looks like SPY's just chopping. And then I'll mark out SPY levels as well now that we have the first two candles. Price per con of one. How much should I pay? 162. Thesis. Options flow. Yeah, it looks like SPY rejected off of that off of that put wall right here. We see a triple tap on the 15-minute. might break down. But what are we on the day? Barely green on the day. Give me a second, guys. Price per con, bot, poet call, strike 14, DTE. There we go. Yeah, this is straight chop. Let's see. Give me a second, guys. Copy and paste this real quick. Sorry about that. All right. I don't know. Yeah, Spy's trying to pick a direction right now. SpaceX still hasn't IPO'd. Poet looks good. RDW. Nice. Let's go. Calls are moving. That's what we want to see. We're in the green. Let's see. Where should I start trimming at? Let's see. Oops, I'm in the wrong port. RDW, 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 RDW. Nice. We're up 5%. We hold. We hold. Hold for more. All right. Let's take a look. Damn, I bottom ticked the fuck out of this as long as trend holds. Let's see. Yeah, Spy's just chilling. Let's go see what the rest of the market's up to. Let's go look at the NASA ETF. W hit support, bounced out. So probably start to recover. Mars. Yeah, it's all looking the same. Let's see. We've looked at, I guess we'll look at big cap now. We'll look at the Mag 7s. We'll start with AMD, though. I know that's not part of it. What's good, piece of coke? Damn, AMD up 5%. Jesus. Yeah, second person to mention SMR. I mean, like I said, so if you wanted to buy SMR, this is where you want it at. This is like perfect support level for it. If you want to buy it, and SMR calls are super cheap. We'll go take a look at it on Trader Daddy Pro, our options flow sponsor. Let's see SMR. Crazy intraday flow right here. You're chilling, piece of cup. Damn, liquidity is lower than usual for SMR. Yeah, I mean, if you wanted to go calls, this would probably be your best bet. The strike 11s. They have the most liquidity. It's not financial advice. Yeah, I knew it. I knew this shit wasn't gonna IPO at fucking 950. It never IPOs on time. I don't know why, but I guess that makes sense. Fucking Palantir. Let's go take a look at them. Yeah, Palantir is the only thing doing bad in my port, really. Need Nokia to keep going, bro. All right. Waiting for the SpaceX IPO still. Let's go. Let's go see what Nokia is ripping to. Okay, yeah. So we'll do Meta, do the Mag 7s. Hmm. Damn, and Meta's in this crazy order block here. Let me draw this out though. I know option flow was pretty bullish yesterday for Meta. ASTS bouncing. What are your thoughts? Yeah, I'll take a look. All right. All right. Let's go look at Meta's options flow. Should be interesting. Strongly bullish. Supports at 550. Resistance at 577. Bro, my cat is so cute. We're underneath gamma flip though, so we'll see more negative moves. Or just more violent moves in general. Oh, I mean, it's a good company, but man, I think I'm gonna stay away from now. Let's go look at ASTS. It's actually ridiculous. They're large. I mean, I don't know. You got to think about it from a market standpoint. Like their largest competitor is IPOing today. Like RDW supports SpaceX. Rocket Labs, I mean, they kind of support SpaceX, but not really. But fuck. Bro, and my calls would have been green if I just held Velo calls. So this company actually does support directly. Just like RDW, SpaceX, like 3D printing, machine parts. They do all that. Um Fuck, I should have just held my fucking calls. I knew it. Low key, I could enter here. Below is identified as a supply chain within the orbital economy with a noted shift to 2026 towards faster revenue growth and improving margins. Fuck. Oh. What the fuck is this candle, though? This wick? This is disgusting. Man, and I sold calls. Oh my god. Should have just held them. I don't know what I was doing. It's all right. The thesis was right. The execution was poor. SPY just rejected off of this put wall. Market might head a little bit down. Yo, I don't think DZU has ELMT. Hold on, give me a second. Let's go look at ELMT. I mean, I kind of want to just hold this for the long tour. It's at resistance. All right, I might cut half. Hold on, let me put this out. Where did I put that at? ELMT. Average cost. Wait, did I DACA? Hold on. Yeah, I'll just hold it for now. Fuck it. See what happens. No, okay. No. Yeah, my average cost is correct. Okay. Up 14%. This looks like a take profit kind of moment. Oh, fuck is this song? W called out by your boy. Oh, Poet's not doing too good, but that's fine. ASTS does not. ASTS works with Amazon, bro. Is it ASTS works with SpaceX too? I don't think so. Despite industry rivalry, ASTS relies heavily on SpaceX to build out its constellations. ASTS has booked upcoming launches, including the highly anticipated Bird 9, 8, 10 aboard SpaceX Falcon 9. So, I mean, okay, but here's the thing: SpaceX and ASTS are direct competitors, right? Um, so, but they have to use their biggest competitor to launch their satellites into space. So that's bearish for ASTS, low key. Long term, I'm still bullish, but that's just me. All right, what was I doing? ELMT. I think I'll cut half of this. Trim this. But yeah, they also you should have left it running. Oh, you're talking about Velo? No. Yeah, bro. Hindsight's 2020. What is that? 14% gain? 15% gain? Damn! Bro, you're actually crazy for getting that ASTS call. All right. Let's go look at Velo. I'm so tempted. It's just going down more though. All right, we're gonna leave that be. Yeah, they're all kind of retracing. We flip red. I think we flipped red. Yeah, I flipped red. What's Reddit up to? Yeah, it looks like Spy broke down. Fuck. Let's go take a look at Reddit. Oh my god. Damn, Reddit is getting nuked. Holy. Damn. LD RAM reversal. Holy fuck. W. Tizu bought more shares. I don't know, Pizzico. This looks like shit. I mean, we reversed all the way to the 50-day. Is there news? Reddit rides a strong international expansion, signed for more upside. All director nominees audit ratification. Compensation were approved. Reddit plunges. This is 6 days ago, though. I'll take a look at the options market for you. I mean, we're still strongly bullish on the options market. Neutral skew. All right, so here's a better picture, Pizzico. Lagging. But yeah, rejected off of this call gamma up here. Yeah, this looks like shit. I mean, I would put a stop loss at 157.50. That's me though. Jesus. XLE is fucking moving. I cut that shit too soon. Man, what's the rest of the market up to? Bounce off support. I'm probably just gonna chop sideways. Give me Reddit or give me SpaceX. Yeah, I knew this was gonna happen. All right, bet. Give me a second, guys. Give me a second. I'm gonna put some shit out. All right. Still waiting for the SpaceX. Yeah, market is just chopping. This is disgusting. Oh my god. Oh my god. 10-point candle. Holy shit. Where's this candle coming from? W candle. Let's see. I'm so tempted to buy Velo calls. Damn, look at all that red though. Man. Let's see. Wow, market just ripped. These candles are insane. What the fuck is going on? All right, let me go check Twitter real quick. See what's up with it. Okay, so SpaceX is expected to start trading in the next 30 minutes. They're gonna start trading at 171. So what percentage gain is that already? 35 divided by 171. Instantaneous 20% for anyone who got shares. Holy fuck, market is ripping. second, guys. Wow. Market is absolutely ripping. I'm so tempted. It's Nokia. There it goes. Yeah, so SpaceX IPO in the next 30 minutes. All right, let's see. What a crazy green candle. Holy. Wow, it won't stop. It's going to go right up to resistance. Let's see what happens. All right, what's Nvidia at? What's making the market rip? Just take a look. Yeah, let's go see what NASA's up to. NASA's consolidating. Hold on, I gotta check the other chart. God damn it. Yeah, look at that. It pinged right off of the resistance level at the put wall. Let's go see Mars. All right, let's take a look. This thing's fucking ripping. All right, drop some tickers in chat. I know what you want me guys to look at while we wait for SpaceX to IPO. AMD is cooking right now. Holy fuck. 5% QCOM. Man, look at that. Shout out for bro doing his homework. Look at what it did, Pizzico. Bounced straight out of the fucking price channel. I'm at 202, but I'm gonna make a starter. Wow. It literally did what we charted out. Oh, is that you? No, that was Ewan. Or Ewan. Hold on, let me tag, bro. Yeah, so this is the easiest way to look at like stocks is you make a little price channel where price likes to consolidate, and if it breaks out, then that means it'll probably just make another continuation. Um, how much are calls? Let's take a look. Let's go to Trader Daddy Pro, liquidity map. Take a look. QCOM. Fuck, it's so expensive. 360, 300, 717. I'm so tempted. All right, let's go see what the heat map's looking like real quick. Let me see if QCOM's on here. MU bullish, SPY bullish, Marvel, AMD, Meta. And I'm so broke, Wex. Bro, just work overtime at your job. What are we doing, piece of cum? More hours, bro. More records. All right. RDW sweep bull. RKLB sweep bullish. Unusual oil bullish. Hood bullish. QCOM's not on here, but still looks very bullish. Nvidia neutral. Sat sweep bullish. Interesting. What is ACMR? I have to take a look at that. Let's go look at sats. Wow, SPY is cooking. Yo, if we tap into this, low-key shorts. Hold on. Hold on. Gonna do stop low-key shorts if we break this. Let's do a quick 600. That looks good. Hopefully they don't get liquidated. Fuck, this RR is fucked. Okay, I gotta move this up. 1-to-1 RR, is that really worth it? I'll take it down to VWAP. Probably be more accurate anyway. Oh shit, it's literally gonna fill. Alright. I'm turning it off. I'm not looking at SPY anymore. I'm gonna let the trade play out. Fuck, I'm filled. Alright, don't tell me. Alright. Yeah, when you enter a day trade, guys, sometimes you just gotta turn the chart off for a while. All right, let's take a look. I can't help myself. What else are we looking at? QCOM. Let me just peep my watch list. Oh yeah. CLSK. It's probably ripping since I sold it. Of course. 5%. I'm about to tweak. Oh, what else? I was looking at BB and UMAC. BB looks good. I might cop. Hella cheap too. Dusty, stop moving the camera. What else are we looking at? Look at TE, Clean Spark, Riot. Ugh. Wow. Riot just doesn't fucking stop. Bro, is the market actually going to break out even further? It'd be fucking insane. Let's see. I'm going to go check my watch list real quick. Do I have my charger? Yeah, I do. All right, let's go see what was on my watch list. DRAM P. Let's go look at Everpure. Everpure's making a mounting a comeback. 5%. Mounting a comeback for sure. Do I take calls again? Hold on. All right. What else are we looking at? Everpure. So what was the last calls I took? Everpure strike 618. No, I had some longer ones. Yeah, 821. 821 strike on 100. Let me see what that's looking like. Let's go. Actually, let's just check Trader Daddy Pro. I don't know if this is gonna have enough liquidity for it though. P. Does have some liquidity. This is the one I took last time. There's no liquidity there. Basically no liquidity anywhere. Fuck, this looks like shit. I love this company though. Fucking love this company. It's a great company. Oh, but the liquidity is straight trash. Let's see. I mean, bro, this is terrible volume though. Do I take it, chat? $500? I feel like I could spend $500 somewhere else. I'm gonna go see P. Everpure. August. So strike 100 is cooked. Strike 95 is cooked. Strike 90 is cooked. Strike 85 is cooked. Strike 80. True. Fuck's sake. All this is just garbage. All right. Man, I guess I'll just do shares. So boring. What's the big movers today? Oh shit, Trump coins up 15%. Fuck. Sorry, guys. Had to. Cypher's up 11. ASTS down 10. ARM up 10. Viva or VIAV is up 8. Applied is up 7. Iron up 7. Corman up 7. Riot's up 5. Coherence up 7. Albemarle. Interesting. Petrochemicals. It was actually ripping this week. Sats down 7. Reddit down 7. Amcor Technology. What the fuck is this? Engages in the provisions of outsourced semiconductor packaging and test services. Its services include design, package, characterization, test, wafer bumping services. Company was founded. Okay, hold on. This has my name written all over it, chat. Low key. Damn, it's up 300% in the year, though. Fuck. It's kind of a lot. Amcor, you say? Oh, chat, I'm getting liquidated for sure. All right. AMKR. This is why I don't make futures or day trades, because I'm garbage. Does that have any liquidity? Oh yeah, it does. That was on the heat map. Crazy amounts of liquidity too. Dusty, fuck off. Stop. What the fuck? 700 volume? Fuck it. I'm not. Fuck Everpure. I'm buying this. I'm gonna get a little 5 out of 5 risk. 717, strike 100. I'm gonna pay 415 for it. 415. Oh my god. And you have to put it, you can either put it to 410 or 420. Ah, fuck's sake. I hate when it does that. I'm just gonna keep that to just a live stream. Just a live stream call out. So I took AMKR strike 100 717 calls. Just between you and me though. Nobody else gets to see that. All right, let's see. Interesting. XLP flipped green. Poets holding. RDW is kind of getting cooked. SpaceX still has an IPO. Allegedly, the next 20 to 20, next 20 minutes, hopefully. We wait. But my shorts are getting liquidated. Bro, I think the market is literally just waiting for SpaceX IPO. Oh my god, please stop going up. I should have put the fucking buy-in lower. This is why I don't trade futures. Much better at options. All right. Low-key gold? Low-key gold. I haven't looked at that today. Haven't really looked at the metals. Oh my god. This just looks so bad. It's actually so trash. Yeah, you didn't see that piece of code? All right, guys. I got to feed Dusty. I'll be back in 5 seconds. With the vibes, with the vibes. I'm getting liquidated. Um, go. Yes. All right. Go. I mean, I still I still see the bullish on Dusty or yeah, I guess Dusty popped up while I was gone. I still see a bullish theory on gold, but just for me personally, I'm not touching it for now. You're bullish on Dusty. Shout out. Shout out. Oh, nice. Option port flipped green. What's carrying? Oh, I mean, I know Nokia's carrying. What else is doing well? Poet's doing well. RDW is getting cooked. NASA's getting cooked. DRAM is doing well. Yeah, it's just Nokia is absolutely carrying the fuck out of my portfolio. Oh my god, please. If Nokia, oh my god. If Nokia can stay above 15, imagine. Oh, please. I need this. I need this. Let's see. Poet calls yes. Very risky. Fuck, I forgot to put 5 out of 5 risk. I think you guys know. I think you guys know. Bro, Poet is not a meme. Shut the fuck up, Pizzico. Bitch ass motherfucker. This shit's gonna rip straight to 14, low key. Knock is beautiful, bro. I can't lie. You are spitting facts there. Oh my god, did I just get liquidated? Yeah, I did. For fuck's sake. Market is fucking ripping. God damn it. Here we go. Poet's coming up to a wall. Let's see what happens. Sorry guys, I'm just jamming out real quick. Looks like SPY is breaking out even further. This candle is insane. Guys, I'm trash at futures. Don't ever listen to me when it comes to futures. On this pullback, yeah, it is what it is. We hold. Man, SPY looks like it wants to break out even further. Let's see what happens. Poet's doing his thing. Damn, yesterday would have been ideal for Poet. Could you imagine? All right. Let's do Riot. Riot's chilling. Iron, Nibis. Would look at some of the other ones. They all kind of look the same right now. Nibis, a bit more of a floating doji. Let's go back to Velo. I'm so curious. Okay, it's just chilling. QCon. UMAC is what I was interested in. Still doesn't look bad, man. It's holding levels so well. Let's go take a look at the liquidity map. Massive liquidity at strike 30. 717. Bro, where is this SpaceX IPO? It should be within the next 15 minutes. Let's see. All right, I'm gonna put that on the watch list. Let me write that down. Watch list. UMAC. Strike 30. 717. All right. Bro, where is this SpaceX IPO? Come on. Any fucking day now. Damn. Navitus is up crazy. Fucking, we saw that shit too yesterday. Strongly bullish. Bullish skew. Honestly, it looks like the exact same pattern as. Matter of fact, we can put this ship side by side. I mean, not exactly the same, but you get what I'm saying. Break down into a massive pop out. That's the vibes we're going for. That is the vibes we're going for. So Navitus has a big call wall at $25. So we'll keep that on the watch list. Put Navitus on here too. MVTS. Damn, all the rare earths are breaking out. Alloy is breaking out. Might be time to get back in. Damn, never mind. I missed it. Fuck, and I saw this shit the other day too. I just forgot to write it down. There's so much good stuff to look at in the market, man. Ugh. Yeah, it looks like it's breaking back out again. ALM. This was another good one. Hold on, guys. This one looks a little bit more interesting. So it's just like ELM, but it's the Canadian or ELMT, but it's the Canadian version. They both do tungsten production. Since the U.S. defense contractors can't really buy Chinese tungsten anymore, they're gonna have to start flipping to other sources, which is where Almonte and Element come into play. Elmet. What's Tesla up to? Oops. What the fuck? Floating doji and a half. Chat. TSLO? Fuck it. I'm going for it. Damn, Nokia keeps going, bro. Oh my god, Spy broke out. Yeah, Spy's breaking out like crazy. Shitty ass shorts, bro. I'm trash. Fuck it. What? TSLO call? Why not? Give me some 2x leverage, Tesla. Just flipped green too. Let's do it's a June 18 strike fit. Bro, they're so cheap. I love TSLO. Perfect. Strike 14. Give me fucking 5 of them. I'll pay full price. It's fine. So I just bought 2x leverage Tesla, which is TSLL. Strike 14, 618. Let me put that out. All right, let me put this up. Give me a second, guys. TS bot TSLL risk 5 out of 5 FOMO play strike 14 618. Give me a second, guys. DTE price per con $50. Oh, I got it for 0.49. Honestly, the chart looks good too. Let's run it. Oh, hold on. Let me say keep stop loss tight. All right, let's take a look. Ski. Give me 1 second, guys. All right, let's do what's up. Hold on. All right, let's see. Bro, when is this thing gonna IPO? Come on, man. I'm getting blue balls at this point. All right. Okay. What else should we look at, guys? Give me some tickers. Drop some tickers in chat for those that are actually watching. All right, let me see if there's anything we can take profit on. Amazon. Take a look. Take a look. Apple. Let's see. Palantir's finally coming back. Give me a second, guys. Is there anything I can take profit on? No. All right, let's look at Amazon. Honestly, Pizzico, someone in my other group, they put out they honestly it was a pretty good call for the price wise for Amazon. It was Amazon, I think it was Amazon 717 strike 50. Wait, what did she put out? Yeah, I don't know what she put out. It might have been I think it was 618 strike 50. Yeah, that's why it was so cheap. Yeah, crazy liquidity. Holy. It's actually insane. Hold on. Let me just do a play-by-play real quick. METS, yeah, we just looked at that. I'll pull that back up. For Apple. All right, all right. Hold on. Let me see the heat map real quick, and I'm gonna look at Amazon liquidity. MU, SPY bullish, Marvel bullish, Microsoft, Meta, MSTR, Rocket Labs, Adobe, USO, Poet bullish. All right, bet. Let's go take a look. Let's go take a look at Amazon. Yeah, Pizzico. So Amazon strike 250, 618 has crazy liquidity. I don't know where that is though. Yeah, there it is. It's only $78. If you wanted to play Amazon, this would be the best one. But if you're looking at something more long term, honestly, the 717. I mean, honestly, a lot of these have good volume. I mean, it is Amazon, so I'm not surprised. But yeah, 717 would be the safer play. All right, let's look at Apple. Oops. Kind of rejected, Wanda. I don't know how I'm feeling about that. This is probably more of like a sit and wait kind of situation. 297. I don't think it would. I mean, it doesn't look that good right now. Let's see what Trader Daddy Pro. The only options flow indicator that's worth it. Neutral. Reject. See it rejected off of this call wall here. Yeah, I'm not touching this. I wouldn't touch that. MBTS. Yeah, we looked at that earlier. Honestly, looks pretty good. Could see a continuation for sure. If we break the 20, could go straight to 28. This is on my watch list. Bro, come on, SpaceX. Any day now, man. Nope. All right, let's see. I got one share, Wanda, just for the memes, just for fun. Oh my god, my RDW call is getting cooked. The IPO king. Chill. Our VCX was crazy though. Wow, Nokia cannot stop winning. I'm gonna have to buy back in. All right, I mean, I'm gonna have to dollar cost average. It's already my biggest position though. Small pullback. I mean, I wouldn't call 8% small, but yeah, RDW is crazy volatile, so that's fair. Yeah, I would not go 8% small, but RDW is RDW. Jesus Christ. Okay. Um, let's see what the market's up to. I think it's just chopping sideways from what I saw. Yeah, it's kind of chopping. Oh my God, bro. Let me see what Twitter says. Where's my fucking SpaceX IPO? They said 11:30-ish. A few more hours? Oh my God. Bro, I only took a half day off at work, bro. What are we doing? The Nasdaq announces that it'll expect a few more hours before SpaceX begins trading. Additional time is needed to ensure the IPO is orderly and that we get the right price, Nasdaq president says. Fuck. Bro, gotta be kidding me, man. I'm gonna be at work by then. Fuck. No, no, no. I have to go to work. All right, let's see. Hashtag quit job. Not yet, bro. Damn, not yet. The healthcare is pretty nice. 6% match on the 401k is pretty solid too. But that's how they get you. All right, let's take a look. Poet. It's doing its thing. Are you talking about the SpaceX IPO, Wanda? It was okay. Yeah, you're right. You know, this has the highest implied volatility of any stock in the entire market. I wouldn't worry about it, man. If you haven't got out, if you didn't out, you had to put it in yesterday. Honestly, low key 2x AOI here's not bad on the 50-day. But yeah, this has the highest implied volatility of any stock on the entire stock market. I think it's at like 200% or some bullshit. Bro, what's holding me back? Hold on. Tesla's kind of trading sideways. Poet's down a little bit, but wasn't that expensive. I mean, I'm up 1.8%. If you want to play Poet, go for it. It's more of a risk. It's more of a risk. Um, that's what's cooking me. Oh my God. RDW. Man, it cannot hold support to save its fucking life. Failed breakout, rejection. Might just cut here. Cooked. Oh, fuck it. I'm just gonna hold strong for the SpaceX IPO and see what happens. Oh, thank God I didn't put much into it. Bro, I gotta leave for work by 2. 2 more hours. So that would be. So they said it's gonna IPO around 140. Bro, oh my God, that's so late for an IPO, man. It's the whole point of me taking off work. All right, let's see. So officially, SpaceX has IPO or will IPO at $162 per share. No, bro. No, I cannot take off work, Evan. Let's see. I am number 1 on the sales team though. No cap. Even though I'd be bullshitting. Let's see. Let's see. So yeah, SpaceX will IPO at 162 per share. Oh my god, Robinhood's AI agent can live trade options now. That's fucking crazy. Bro, so many people are gonna get their accounts blown. That's nuts. What's Robinhood at? I haven't looked at them. I haven't looked at the fintech today. Let me go take a look. Robinhood's ripping today. Holy fuck. And a nice chunk of change on the calls. Should have held a little bit longer, but it is what it is. I'll take 85% all day long. Let's see. So let's check out bull. Still have some bull leaps. And bull kind of rejected. No, don't touch it. Don't use the AI agent. Here's the prevailing theory, right? If they release it, well, I mean, so you can make an AI agent, right? You can use Claude and you can code. So it's up to like, but you can also just pull straight Claude. There's a whole bunch of ways to do it. But yeah, it's up to you. I wouldn't touch it personally. That's my opinion. Looks like Robinhood's the only fintech that's really ripping right now. Yeah, give it some time. You know, you never want to beta test anything ever when it comes to software. Yeah. Hold on, let me see if I can add my music, low-key. No, I can't. I put system audio on. That's whatever. All right. I need to take. I've been live for a little bit. I just gotta grab some food real quick. Hold on. Let's go leave it on the market. Damn, SPY fucking rejected. Of course. Of course. AMPX. Yeah, I'll take a look at that. Empress Technologies. Oh my god. Looks like shit. What is this? What am I looking at, man? Money talks. Engages in the development, manufacture, and market of lithium-ion battery mobility applications, including the aviation, electric vehicle, light electric vehicle industries. It operates in the following geographic segments. Interesting. I know Trump released something about like domestic lithium stuff. All right, guys. I've been live for 2 hours. Give me 1 second. I know there's a button to do this. Okay. I ain't gonna lie, Adam gotta be the list of super intelligent. Nah, I'm not that smart. How do I can't even figure out how to fucking put this on break. How does one do that? How do I get the break overlay on here? Great question, chat. I don't know how to do that. Set up an overlay. The overlay will indicate if they're running in the review when ads aren't available. All right, whatever. Give me 1 second. All right, market's holding support. I'll leave it right there. Let me grab a quick snack. Nobody do anything stupid. I'll be back in like a minute and a half. All right, I'm back. What'd I miss? All right. When's the cooking live stream? I don't know, but I need to get a Dusty cam. He's chilling up there. SpaceX is not live. Shut the fuck up. Don't lie to me. Oh my god, it's live. 150. 150. Can't even see anything on the chart. SpaceX is live. Oh my god. The space stocks are getting cooked. So curious to see what this does to the market. Nokia is still ripping. Yeah, there's literally nothing on here. Oh, wait. It's because... Never mind. There we go. Sorry, guys. Let's see how it goes. Oh my god, I can see my one stock. Let's go. Why is there not a sell button? Where's the sell button? Excuse me, Robinhood. Why is there not a sell button? I knew they were going to pull some shit like this. Yeah, there's no sell button. What the fuck? Holy, it's ripping. Why is there no sell button? Why is there not a sell button, bro? I'm kind of concerned. Where's the sell button? I did restart the app. Oh yeah, what's the market up to? Oh my god, market's getting liquidated. Bro, my shorts. I entered too soon. Why is there no sell button on Robinhood? There's no sell button. I did. Oh, okay. Let me restart. Let me just close all my shit out. All it says on mine is place order. Hold on. Let me update the app. Bro, I just want to take my profit and go home. I'm not trying to play these stupid games. Gotta wait another. Yo, chill. Chill. All right, I'm updating Robinhood. I'm doing that right now. I'm unplugging it. All right. Hold on. Robinhood booting up. I want to take my profit and go home, man. I'm not trying to play these stupid games. What's the market up to? All right, it's holding support. Bro, I don't want any, Wanda, is the truth. No, I don't want any. There it is. I can see the sell button now. I just had to update the app. I don't want any shares, bro. I don't want none. It's a garbage company. I guess I'll hold it for now. I had to read the fine print. All right. Yeah, market's chilling. It's holding support, so that's good. All right. I wish I knew how to chart this. Just joking. You can't chart fucking fresh. Damn, what is that candle on SPY? Hold on. Market's doing crazy shit. Man, if I put my order just a little bit lower, that would have been nice shorts. Literally would have went to TP, but I put it too high. That sucks. Yeah, NASA hasn't moved at all. Most of the space stocks aren't really moving. Let's see what happens. All right, we got our smooth moving average here. First indicator up. See what the market reaction is. Still holding levels. Gonna take a break. Yeah, that's a good idea. Go take a look at the rest of my shit. Oof, pull it back a little bit. That's to be expected. I wish you guys could hear this. Shit is ripping. Mind you, this company loses so much goddamn money. They're a telecommunications company fronting as a rocket company, fronting as an AI company. So stupid. Worst financials I've ever seen. PE ratio of 93. Disgusting. Actually, the worst. Market can't really pick a direction. Kind of just chopping sideways. Hmm. We going to Mars, boys. I'm geeked. Damn, even Tesla's going down? Fuck's sake. Should have waited. Good thing I have mostly cash. Good thing I have mostly cash in the port. Oh, Robinhood is tweaking. Yeah, the app stopped refreshing. Oh yeah, Robinhood crashed. Hold on, let me check Twitter. Robinhood crashed. That's crazy. That's crazy. Yeah, that's crazy. Fidelity crashed. Yeah, Tesla's getting fucking nuked. Oh, fuck's sake. Might have to cut. Yeah, I'm just gonna cut the Tesla ones. Mm-mm-mm. Can't believe it crashed. I'll hold everything for now. Everything else, at least. Damn, that shit took forever. What's the market looking like? Getting cooked. Low-key support zone coming up. Oh, Robinhood's back. It is up 19% on the day. Bro, people are tweaking about the Robinhood crash. Hmm. I've never seen a fucking IPO make a stock trading app crash. That's crazy. But we're back. Nokia's still humming along. At least I think it is. Can't tell if Robinhood's working again. Stock market's holding for now. All right, yeah, it's working again. Yeah, we're good. Damn, they're saying Robinhood shut down on purpose to fuck with us. Of course, classic. Yeah, to say the least. Market's still holding. SpaceX is dumb, or SpaceX is dumb. Mm-mm. Fuck. Thank God I'm still 45% cash. Ugh. Let's take a look. Yeah, we gotta see what later in the day looks like. This is so fucking wild. SPY is holding. What's NQ up to? It's holding. Damn. Those shorts that I had would have been done really well. It sucks. You can't sell anything. Oh, it still doesn't work? Cooked. Robinhood still doesn't work. Looks like NQ's coming back. Yeah, Robinhood still doesn't work. That's so fucking wild. See, Wanda, this is why I wanted to sell this shit. But I mean, it's only $135. Nothing crazy. Yeah. By the way, guys, if you can't sell anything, you should put in. If you want to sell something, you should put an order in. If it doesn't work, then you can call Robinhood support, and they'll honor whatever price you were trying to sell it at. They legally obligated to. That's not legal advice, but I know that is a fact. Damn. The fuck? 100 shares? Yeah, one of my buddies got 100 shares of SpaceX. Damn, yeah, the market just got cooked. XLE's still holding. Well, I don't really know if Robinhood's working. Let's do it on here. Yeah, still holding. Man, I got cooked on that luck. It's fine. It's still just doing its thing. Just doing its thing. Fucking up the rest of the market. Bearish on Robinhood. Oh yeah, what's Hood up? What's Hood at? Could you imagine if a bunch of people just sold Hood stock? Because yep, saw that coming. Hood is getting cooked. Pinged off support. We'll see what happens. This is so cooked. All right, let's go run down the lists. Poets, rejected, cooked. Just gonna hold for now. I mean, I'm not gonna really sell anything till Monday. Damn, bull retrace like crazy. so far. Yeah, mid. NVTS. It's doing its thing. Nokia. It's doing the best out of any of them today. On this. Holding support, barely. Yeah, my buddy sold SpaceX. Should I sell this low-key? Yeah, I'm selling this. No. Shit's gonna pump and then it's gonna dump to zero. Watch. All right. What's the market up to? Market's holding support for the most part. We're kind of chopping sideways. SpaceX is doing its thing. All right, everyone. I appreciate you all joining. I hope you enjoyed the little pump and dump and market freak out from SpaceX. And I hope you guys have a nice day. Peace out. Thanks for joining. All right.